can you please come forward? And we ask what's your name? Now, Miss Jackie, can you show your money to them? So, Miss Jackie has 500 pesos. Now, Mom, can you fold your money in perhaps 3 times? 1, 2, and 3. Same direction. And hold your money like this. Upward. Okay. And don't watch the movement and just relax. Are you ready? Okay. No. Yes, you just have to hold it, okay? Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our another cute and colorful Santa named Sunny. So, Sunny loves money. Normal to love, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now, Sunny will pick up your money. Hi, Sunny. Okay. So, he tries to Miss Jackie and... Okay, thank you so much. And give it to Miss Jackie. Just 5 Sunny and 500. She wants to say to you. Are you want to say something to Sunny, Miss Jackie? You want to say something? You can have your money. You can have your money. It's okay? Or let's try Sunny will pay your money. Let's try if Sunny will pay your money. Okay, now please stretch your arms open palm and when Sunny returns your money, just grab the money and tap the bridge. Okay, let's try it. Okay, now Sunny, please return your money. I know love sees more than the money. Okay, Sunny? Okay. Now you have to return your money. He applies to Miss Jackie and